By using the sample drawing for this tutorial, finished drawings of the sketch and model are available in the Blocks palette. These blocks can be dragged into the editor at any stage to assist with your design. In this example, the model is superimposed over its associated sketch. Remember to use the Isolate Hide Objects tool to view the sketch and the model independently. Start the drawing in World Plan View and draw a single horizontal line to the following length. Draw an intersecting vertical line, then use the Parallel tool to offset these lines. These two intersections will be used as insertion points for the slot. The same two intersection points will be used to insert the second slot. Create additional parallel offsets from the horizontal centerline. In order to insert the holes on the solid, point markers will be inserted onto the new intersections. Insert these point markers onto all line intersections. To prepare the sketch for 3D, first remove construction geometry such as center lines. Right-click to view the sketch from an isometric southeast viewpoint and make sure the work plane is displayed. The outer slot profile will be extruded downwards below the work plane. Select the Simple Extrude tool, then extrude the outer profile to a negative depth of -20. The same method will be used to extrude the inner profile upwards. The solid object produced by the extrusion will now be shelled. This will create a wall thickness of 15. Select the Shell Solid tool and input a thickness of -15. A negative value produces a shell to the interior of the solid. Select the part, then find the top face to exclude. Use the page up or page down keyboard keys to find the bottom face. Holes will be inserted using the point markers as a reference. Select the property sheet and input the following values. Find the indicated face, then select the first point. Hold down the Shift key to select the remaining points. Repeat this by applying a new diameter for the hole. Find the same face as previously, then select the inner 2 point markers. The 2 extrusions can now be combined into one unit. The 3D Add tool is used to do this. Select either of the extrusions in any order. Although both parts are now combined into a single unit, the Selection Info palette can be used to modify the individual features of the solid. In this example, the diameter of the hole will be changed. By modifying the shell feature, the wall thickness can be adjusted.